boys and girls, thank you so much for joining me on my next video. We have planned really cool activities for you to do with your daily plan. Before we do that, I would like to start with some letters and sounds again, and I'll get started with you on your writing. Let's go through our sound mat. Are you ready? J like jelly, V like volcano, W like watch, X like fox, Y like yo-yo, Z like zebra, Z like fizz, Qu like queen, Ch like chicken, Sh like shoe, Th like thumb, Ng like ring, A like rain. A is the vowel team we are going to look at today. So today we have a very tricky phoneme. It is one of my favorites because it is actually a vowel team. Now what that means is two vowels are going to form a team. They are going to come together and form a vowel team, okay? In letters and sounds, we have to remember that our learning intention is we are learning how to use our knowledge of graphemes to write new words in a sentence. Our success criteria is we will know we are successful when we have written our sentence, making appropriate spelling choices. The first thing we need to remember is that a phoneme is a speech sound. We say and hear phonemes. The second thing we need to remember is a grapheme. A grapheme is a spelling choice. We see and write graphemes. Well done. Let's look at our phoneme today. Our phoneme today is A. It is a long A sound. Now the first word I would like you to sound talk with me is the word rain. How many phonemes does the word rain have in it? A, N. Rain. How many? 3. Good work. I would like you to draw 3 sound boxes on your page. Excellent. What is the first phoneme you hear in the word rain? Well done. It's the grapheme R. What is the next phoneme you hear in the word rain? A, N. Ooh. The next phoneme you hear is a long A sound. And today we are looking at AI, A. So it is AI. A, N. That's right. It's an N at the end of rain. A, N. Now, can you help me put some sound buttons and sound bars underneath? A, N. We put the sound bar underneath A because it's 2 letters making 1 sound. Excellent. Let's move on to our next word to sound talk. The next word we are going to do is wait. W-A-T. Wait. I can hear a long A sound in the word wait. Can you? How many phonemes does the word wait have in it? Sound talk it with me. W-A-T. Wait. It has 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. Well done. What is the first phoneme you hear in the word wait? W. W. What do you think comes next? W-A. It is the long A sound. It's our special vowel team. A-T. What comes at the end of wait? That's right. T-T. Underline your digraph in the word wait. That's right. It is the A-I vowel team. Now we put our sound buttons. Well done. Let's do another one. The next word I would like you to do is the word hail. How many phonemes does the word hail have in it? Let's sound talk and count the phonemes. A, L, hail. How many phonemes did it have in it? A, L, 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme frames. Well done. What phoneme do you hear at the start of hail? What grapheme is that? H. Well done. What phoneme do you hear in the middle? A. It is our vowel team. Write it down. A, I. What phoneme do you hear at the end of the word hail? That's right, it's an L phoneme, and we know that is the letter L. I would like you to put your sound bars and sound buttons. Well done, you are doing really well. We put a sound bar underneath A because it's 2 letters making 1 sound. We put a sound button underneath the H and the L because they're making a sound by themselves. The next word I would like you to do is the word aim. How many phonemes in the word aim? A, 2. Let's draw 2 phoneme frames. Aim. A, Ooh, what is the first phoneme you hear in the word aim? It is our vowel team. A. What is the next phoneme you hear in the word aim? That's right, it's the grapheme M. I would like you to put a sound bar and sound button on that word. Well done. You put a sound bar underneath A because it's 2 letters making 1 sound, and a sound button underneath M because it's making 1 phoneme on its own. Well done, you're getting really, really clever at this. Let's do another word. Let's do the word sail. How many phonemes in the word sail? Let's sound talk it together. S, A, L, sail. 3. That's right. Let's draw 3 phoneme frames. Well done. What is the first phoneme you hear in the word sail? S, A, L, sail. That's right, it's S. What is the second phoneme you hear in the word sail? S, A, L. A, it's our vowel team. A, I makes a long A sound. What is the last phoneme you hear in the word sail? S, A, L. That's right, it is L. Let's do our sound bars and sound buttons. Excellent. We put a sound bar underneath A because it's 2 letters making 1 sound, and a sound button underneath S and L because they make a sound by themselves. Okay, we are going to do 2 more words and then we'll be finished our sound talking. The next word I would like you to do is the word tail. How many phonemes does the word tail have in it? T, A, L. 3. Let's draw 3 sound boxes. Okay, what phoneme do you hear at the beginning? T, T, T. What phoneme goes next? T, A. That's right. So it is the grapheme A and I. That's our special vowel team. What phoneme do you hear at the end of tail? Tail. T, A-L. That's right. It is the letter L. It is the grapheme L. Now, let's do our sound buttons and sound bars. Great work. Does yours look like mine? Well done. The next word I would like you to do is the word main. Main. How many phonemes in the word main? A, N. Main. Let's draw 3 sound boxes. What is the first phoneme you hear in the word main? It is the grapheme M. What is the second phoneme in the word main? A, N. That's right, it's our vowel team. A, I. What is the last phoneme you hear in the word main? That's right, it is N. The grapheme is a N. Let's go and write our sound buttons and sound bars. Sound button for Sound bar for A. Sound button for I wonder if you could write your CBCs above the word main. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Excellent. Let's start our caption. Okay, today's caption is the man can sail in the rain and hail. Let's say that one more time. The man can sail in the rain and hail. Okay, what do we need to remember to start our sentence with? That's right, a capital letter. Capital T for the word the. Write it with me. The. Oh, look. I remember our TH digraph is in the word the. The man. The man can. You know the word can. The man can sail. Let's sound talk the word sail. S-A-L. I think it might have our magic vowel team in it. S-A-L. Sail. Well done. The man can sail in the rain and hail. The man can sail in. You know how to write in? In the. You can write the word the. In the rain. R-A-N. You try. R-A. Vowel team. N. The man can sail in the rain and hail. 2 more words to go. Write the word and. You can do that. And. A-N-D. And hail. Have a go. A. A-I. O. Well done. The man can sail in the rain and hail. What do we need at the end of our caption? That's right, a full stop. Let's reread our work. All good writers reread their work. The man can sail in the rain and hail. Well done, everyone. Let's put our sound buttons and sound bars. Excellent. How did you go with your sound buttons and sound bars? You are going so good at this. I'm very impressed. Excellent work. I wonder if you could write your CVCs. Excellent work. Does yours look similar to mine? Well done, boys and girls. I'm so impressed. Now give your hands a little shake and it's time to begin our writing. Let's get our writing ready and then you will be able to respond to the story once you have listened to it. Okay, let's write our heading together. The heading is The Very Quiet Cricket. There are some tricky words in that heading. Let's start with the. Remember, we're writing at the top of our page, capital T, the very. What phoneme do you hear at the start of very? V. The. That's right. The, V. V, E, R, E. Remember, sometimes Y can make an I sound. The very quiet. Qu, qu. Qu. That's right, it is a Q. Q. Ooh. Did you know in quiet it is actually a QU digraph? Remember, like qu, like queen, qu, QU, I. The IE is the vowel team that makes the phoneme I. Quiet. The very quiet cricket. Now I'm going to write cricket here, but you can keep writing along your top of your page. The very quiet cricket. C-R, cur, ik. CK digraph, and then ET at the end. Very tricky word. The very quiet cricket. Now, I want you to rule a line at the bottom of your page, and this area will be the area on your page where if you need to sound talk some words and write them down, that's where you can do it. Okay, before we begin, I would like you to practice forming the letter C. Write it 3 times for me. Oh, so neat, boys and girls. Well done. The next letter I would like you to try is the letter K. Have a go. I would like you to do a lowercase k 3 times. That's a tricky letter. Well done. I'm so proud. Now, when you're responding to the story today, you are going to retell the story in your own words. So you can use your sequence words like first, next, then, after that, and finally. Okay? So on your page right now, you should have the heading, The Very Quiet Cricket. Write the date for me, please, and practice your C's and your K's. Goodbye, everyone. Frankie and I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and we wish you all the very best with your work.